Do you feel safe at home? These Ring doorbell clips will make you think otherwise. Pueblo, Colorado. This guy thought it was fine to take a bike that wasn't his. Anchorage, Alaska. This woman really tried stealing mail straight from the mailbox. Pittsfield, Massachusetts. This weird guy threw a bag on the car, but thankfully no damage was done. Mankato, Minnesota. Acting wild, she destroyed stuff on the porch and then pulled the door handle. Spokane Valley, Washington. This driver aimed straight for the car like he meant to do it. Bartlesville, Oklahoma. He grabbed what he wanted and left right before the owner came out. Huron, South Dakota. She spent a moment inspecting the porch, then decided to leave. Riverton, Wyoming. A random woman came to the door but walked away after waiting a bit. Gillette, Wyoming. This thief snatched the package and bolted off within seconds. Hastings, Nebraska. This woman kept roaming the area, hoping to find an unlocked home. Iron Mountain, Michigan. He checked out the bike closely but decided not to take it. Brookings, South Dakota. He tried taking the grill, but the plan didn't last long. Hibbing, Minnesota. This guy couldn't resist checking through mail that wasn't his. Lima, Ohio. This woman's separate attempts to open random house doors and she got caught twice.
Hello? Hello?
I have no words for this. Sioux City, Iowa. He came straight to the porch and took off with a new bike. Lubbock, Texas. Creepy man spotted sneaking through backyards and looking inside homes. Billings, Montana. She thought no one would notice her taking flowers from the yard.
What are you doing in my yard? Get out of my yard. Hey! Get out of my yard. Get out. Get out of my yard. Get out of my yard. I said, get out of my yard and quit picking my flowers.
Ypsilanti, Michigan. Another example showing why you should always double-check your locks. Tupelo, Mississippi. Strange woman appeared at the door briefly before disappearing again. Stillwater, Oklahoma. These two treated someone's porch like their personal hangout spot.
Oh, hell no, I ain't sitting in that thing. Was it gonna hold me? This ain't sitting in your house. What's going on?
Pocatello, Idaho. He wandered through private property all day like he owned the place. Montgomery, Alabama. More people caught trying car doors, so don't forget to lock yours. Decatur, Alabama. Tried opening the door, then covered up like that would fool anyone. Albany, Oregon. He noticed the car was unlocked and grabbed whatever he could. Savannah, Georgia. She went around testing doors, but thankfully everything was locked tight. Evansville, Indiana. Forgot to lock up, and a thief wasted no time taking advantage. Battle Creek, Michigan. This person went through private mail and tried to take what they could. Oshkosh, Wisconsin. This weird woman snooped through the mailbox and attempted to open the door.
Hello? Hi. Can I help you? Thank you.
Jamestown, New York. An elderly man stopped at the porch, peed in the corner, and left like nothing happened. Santa Monica, California. No idea what happened here.
Help me! Get away! Get away! I don't have your fucking money! I don't have your fucking money! I don't have your shit! Fuck you, dude! You need to leave me alone! Stop it, Ivy, goddammit! Come on, piece of shit! Stop, Ivy, damn it!
Rapid Valley, South Dakota. This porch pirate came looking for mail but left empty-handed. Spearfish, South Dakota. Rang the doorbell, lingered a bit, and came back driving by 2 more times. Gallup, New Mexico. Another reminder that locking your doors can prevent situations like this. Las Cruces, New Mexico. He lingered by the door, acting strange, then finally left. Farmington, New Mexico. Late at night, this woman was seen creeping through someone's backyard. Dover, New Hampshire. Nobody knows why he was here, roaming around after midnight.
It's for you, my sweet love. I'm gonna put it down here, okay? One moment here. Oh, thank you. I want to thank everybody for participating. Well, you got work by Bruce Lee too. Bruce Lee,
Paducah, Kentucky. He came from a random backyard wearing a mask and carrying something suspicious. Dubuque, Iowa. This guy roamed the yard as if he actually owned it. Another car door checker. Chico, California. Broad daylight didn't stop him from trying to break into the garage. Shreveport, Louisiana. This man looked lost and probably meant to go to another door. Yakima, Washington. More people roaming neighborhoods, checking car doors late at night. Amarillo, Texas. He ran right through the yard like it was his personal shortcut. Eugene, Oregon. These kids turned the apple tree into their own playground and loot spot.
Sneak out at night. It's not the best one, but like, not bad. There's a bunch of pumpkins on this tree. Ow! You just decided to grab it? Why do you need to grab it when you can make it fall? And it's just so nonchalant like that. Oh no, this one sucks. Yeah, the plump ones suck. This one's plump and it better be a duck.
Carbondale, Illinois. This man decided another person's porch was the perfect place to chill. Pensacola, Florida. Out of everything there, he went for a simple barbecue lighter. I have no words for this. Minot, North Dakota. He walked up to the door, spotted the camera, and took off fast. Kennewick, Washington. She walked around the porch, looking suspiciously at everything for no reason. Kenosha, Wisconsin. Good thing the car was locked. This man was testing the handle. North Platte, Nebraska. Strange behavior, snooping around the windows and removing the hose. Grand Forks, North Dakota. This man didn't hesitate to steal a full patio heater from the porch. Kankakee, Illinois. More late-night car door checking, but this one didn't get far. Watertown, New York. Tried the door, but thankfully it was locked tight. Marquette, Michigan. Another person wandering the neighborhood testing garage doors. Rolla, Missouri. Yet another late-night car checker with no success this time. Alamosa, Colorado. Scary moment as this firework went off. Luckily, everyone is okay. Charlottesville, Virginia. She came up to the porch ready to grab a package, but found nothing. New London, Connecticut. This man was acting suspicious, checking doors and peeking inside.
Somebody there? Hello?
Zanesville, Ohio. This guy seemed to be package hunting, but couldn't resist peeking inside. Scottsbluff, Nebraska. This woman came by after dark and stole things from the table. Bemidji, Minnesota. He tried the door first, then stood outside like he was waiting for something. Superior, Wisconsin. This man was seen running across different yards without any explanation. Sheridan, Wyoming. Yet another person roaming at night, checking for unlocked doors. Kearney, Nebraska. This is exactly why locking your doors should always be a habit. Sandusky, Ohio. No clue what he was up to, but it involved his phone and the garage door. Vermilion, South Dakota. Honestly, this clip speaks for itself. Cody, Wyoming. Early morning thieves rang the bell, checked the cars, and tried breaking in, but no luck. Cheyenne, Wyoming. He wandered around for a bit with a big flashlight, searched for something, then just walked off. Mansfield, Ohio. This man let himself in and stole both a cart and some sneakers. Ithaca, Michigan. This woman acted like this garden was her personal grocery store. Bowling Green, Ohio. Quick mailbox check. found nothing worth taking, and moved on. Rock Hill, South Carolina. This man broke in, took what he wanted, and strolled off calmly. Fargo, North Dakota. He hung around all night, lurking near the house for hours.